In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix OBS encoding overload step by step, even if you're streaming or recording on a lower or mid-range PC. Encoding overload is one of the most common OBS errors, and it can cause lag, stuttering, dropped frames, and poor video quality. The good news is that you don't need a brand new computer to fix it. By adjusting the right OBS settings and making a few system tweaks, you can get smooth recordings and streams again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS and streaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is lower your output settings. Open OBS, then click on Settings and go to the Video tab. Here, you'll see Base Canvas Resolution and Output Scaled Resolution. Your canvas resolution can usually stay the same, but the key setting is Output Scaled Resolution. If this is set to 1440p or higher, that's a major cause of encoding overload. Change this to 1080p, or if you're still having issues, drop it down to 720p. Next, look at common FPS values. If this is set to 60, change it to 30. Streaming or recording at 60 FPS requires almost double the encoding power, so switching to 30 FPS can instantly reduce encoding overload issues while still looking smooth for most content. Next, let's change your encoder. Go back to Settings and then open the Output tab. At the top, set Output Mode to Simple. This makes it easier to select the most efficient encoder. Under the Streaming or Recording section, find the Encoder option. If you have a dedicated GPU, you should always use a hardware encoder instead of your CPU. For NVIDIA users, select NVIDIA nvenc. For AMD users, choose AMD AMF. And for Intel CPUs with integrated graphics, select quicksync. Hardware encoders take the load off your CPU and are one of the biggest fixes for encoding overload in OBS. Now, if you want more control, we're going to adjust the encoder preset. In the Output settings, switch output mode from Simple to Advanced. Under the Streaming or Recording tab, find the Encoder Preset option. If this is set to something like Quality or Max Quality, that can overload your system. Change the preset to Fast or Super Fast. This slightly lowers visual quality, but it massively reduces CPU and GPU usage, which is far more important for stable streams and recordings. The next fix is quick but very effective. Close OBS completely, then right-click on the OBS shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Running OBS as administrator gives it higher priority over games and background apps, which helps prevent encoding overload when your system is under heavy load. Finally, let's talk about your game settings. If your game is running at unlimited FPS, it can consume all your system resources and leave nothing for OBS. Go into your game settings and limit the in-game FPS to something reasonable, like 60 or even 45. Also, open Windows settings, go to Gaming, and turn off Game Mode. In some systems, Game Mode can actually interfere with OBS performance instead of helping it. Once you've applied all these changes, restart OBS and test your stream or recording again. In most cases, these steps completely fix OBS encoding overload. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more OBS tips, streaming fixes, and creator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.